Playtime with the puppies. They got that toy and they're going all around town with it. And look who's in my lap. Giant Scooby-Doo, because he's jealous. Yeah, he needs attention too. Hey, Bobo. Hi, Scooby. And they're getting into something. I hear it. Where's the toy? There's the toy. No. Nope. And Scooby wanted to grab it. She still got it. Oh, shit. She dropped it. Oh, that's funny. Where's the toy? Where's the toy? Get it. Get that toy. Get that toy. Yeah. Oh, Blue wants to play too. Yeah, Blue's got the other end now. Get it. Get it. Oh, and Red was getting on board. Oh. Look who got it back. She's got it back. Oh, funny little dogs.